Pi is a fundamental mathematical constant with an approximate value of 3.141592653589793. It is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, and this ratio is the same for every circle, no matter its size. One of the most remarkable properties of pi is that it is both irrational and transcendental. This means its decimal expansion continues forever without repeating, and it cannot be expressed as the solution of any polynomial equation that uses only rational numbers. Because of this, pi can never be written exactly as a fraction. However, common approximations, such as 3.14, 22 over 7, and 355 over 113 are often used for practical calculations. Pi has been studied for thousands of years by ancient civilizations, including the Babylonians, Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese. Each of these cultures developed increasingly accurate estimates, with the Greek mathematician Archimedes being one of the first to rigorously approximate its value using geometric methods. In geometry, pi plays a central role in formulas involving circles and curved shapes. The circumference of a circle is calculated as 2 times pi times the radius, or equivalently, pi times the diameter. The area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. These formulas extend naturally into 3 dimensions, where pi appears in expressions for the surface area and volume of solid shapes, such as cylinders, cones, and spheres. For example, the surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times the radius squared, and the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. Because many natural and engineered objects involve curves and rotation, pi is essential in fields such as architecture, mechanical design, and astronomy. Pi is also deeply connected to trigonometry and calculus. In trigonometry, angles are often measured in radians, a unit defined using pi, where pi radians are equal to 180 degrees. This makes pi fundamental to the behavior of sine, cosine, and tangent functions. For example, the sine of pi is 0, and the cosine of pi is -1. In calculus, pi appears in integrals, derivatives, and infinite series, especially when dealing with periodic functions, waves, and circular motion. One of the most famous appearances of pi is in Euler's identity, which states that e raised to the power of iota times pi plus 1 equals 0. This elegant equation links 5 of the most important constants in mathematics: 0, 1, e, iota, and pi. Beyond pure mathematics, pi appears throughout science and everyday life. It is used in physics to describe wave motion, electromagnetism, and quantum mechanics. It appears in statistics and probability through the normal distribution, and in engineering for signal processing and system design. Pi also has cultural significance and is celebrated every year on March 14th, often called Pi Day, with educational activities and humor related to its digits. Overall, pi is more than just a number. It is a unifying constant that connects geometry, analysis, science, and the natural world.